In Forex trading, a take profit order is a preset instruction that allows traders to automatically close a position when it reaches a specified profit level. This tool is employed to secure gains by exiting a trade at a targeted price point, ensuring that profits are captured before market conditions potentially reverse. By setting a take profit level, traders define their profit objective and reduce the need for constant monitoring of the market. When the market price reaches the predetermined level, the trade is automatically closed, locking in the intended profit. For instance, when executing a buy order and entering a long position, it's prudent to establish a take profit level at a strategic point, such as this one. This ensures that if the chart trends upward, the trade is automatically closed at a profit before any potential reversal occurs, safeguarding against losses that might occur if the price retraces. Similarly, in a sell order, it's advisable to set the take profit level below the sell price. This strategic approach ensures that if the chart experiences a downward movement, the take profit order will trigger, automatically closing the trade at a profit before any potential upward shift occurs.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Do you need a free consultation? Go to the Forex Academy website. Select Consultant Appointment in the main menu and finally set up an appointment to talk with our experts.
We express our gratitude for your attention. Forex Academy ensures weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast to keep you updated. Optimize your trading decisions with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our profitable signals and insightful analysis.